Hi, I'm Rick Geise with Nature Safe Natural Organic Fertilizers, part of Darling Ingredients, the world's largest rendering company. So we'll talk about that in a minute, but great to be here. Nature Safe impacts soil health in really the most basic way, which is we feed soil microbes. We take the science and expertise of how we feed a dog, a cat, a chicken, actually taking those same ingredients, feather meal, meat meal, bone meal, blood meal, products that if we never sold another bag of Nature Safe, all of those ingredients would be sold as feed. And we take that science, that expertise, and apply those same principles to how to feed the soil and then ultimately the plant.